In the constantly changing electronics industry, you need a printed circuit board assembly partner who can keep up with all of the new demands. Other assembly contractors might be able to give you high quality or quick turnarounds, but only ACME PCB Assembly can give you both. With over 20 years in the industry, our family business has always been focused on customer satisfaction because we know just how important it is. Alongside our award-winning customer service, our cost-effective procedures and worldwide supply chain allow us to maintain the highest quality without the high price tag. Our IPC 610 certified in-house trainer is just an extra example of how dedicated we are to exceeding high-quality standards. To learn about how ACME's PCB assembly team can deliver top-shelf results for your organization, call or visit us online.